Training cost and selling price, product section. To create new cost and selling price, we use the cost tab. For make product, we'll be interested into the total of fabric, component, and we're gonna add some product labors like cutting, sewing, finishing. We had the labor's name, the supplier, duration, and cost. And we can see the total of the labor. Be creating a selling price. I will close this panel to see better. New selling price, category and currencies related to the company, to the customer. We're gonna add some direct costs. You can create your own list. We're gonna make a protection and iteration of 2%. Recalculate. And we want to do 55% margin. And we're gonna correct manually this price. Adding selling cost. And we can see profit. We're gonna create another selling price, this time for wholesale category into US dollar. Adding direct and selling cost. And we can see the profit. We can see that we have two selling price, different categories, different currencies. Into company customer information panel, we can set the currency and the default selling price for the customer. If fabric and component prices changes, you have to select the item, exit, and the button will light up to allow you to reset the price. You can also do that with exporting and importing from Excel. For by product, you can specify the fabric and the component, but you need to uncheck including cost into fabric and component panel, edit, and including cost no. And you specify the maker into the product labor, and you can specify a default supplier to be used in the purchase order. Currency are defined in list. Currency, and we can see the different currencies.